You've connected your Ring alarm devices to your system, and now it's time to place them around your home. Let's start by placing your contact sensor. You can use your contact sensor to monitor any door or window in your home. Choose a door or window you'd like to monitor. If you're using your sensor to monitor a door, place your sensor at the top of your door. This keeps it out of the way of kids, pets, and accidental bumps or kicks. First, clean the area where you'll place your sensor. This makes sure the sensor will stick to the door well. Next, before you stick the sensor to the door, let's plan the setup. Both the sensor and the magnet have a line on them. When the lines line up with each other, the sensor is closed. When the lines are separated, the sensor is open. The sensor and magnet should be no more than 125 millimeters apart to send a signal to your base station. With your door closed, hold your sensor and magnet up to the door to see how they fit. If needed, you can rotate your sensor to fit your door frame. Once you're happy with where you want to put the sensor, peel back the adhesive and stick it to the door frame. Do the same thing for the magnet. Open and close your door. Your sensor should stay in place. Placing your sensor on a window is very similar to placing it on a door. Just like on a door, the lines will need to line up with each other and be no more than 125 millimeters apart. For more information about Ring devices, go to ring.com.